In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free lounge access in Toronto Airport. If you travel through Toronto Pearson International Airport, also known as YYZ, getting lounge access can make your trip much more comfortable. Instead of waiting at the gate, you may be able to relax in a quieter space with seating, snacks, drinks, Wi-Fi, and other travel-friendly perks. One of the easiest ways to access these lounges without paying at the door is by using the right travel benefits. A common way to get free lounge access at Toronto Pearson is through a premium travel credit card that includes complimentary lounge passes. You may also qualify if you hold elite airline status with Star Alliance or Air Canada, or if you're flying in business class or first class. So in this walkthrough, we're looking at how to find credit card options that can help you unlock those lounge benefits. Start by opening the credit card section on the website. This area is designed to help you compare cards and travel perks. So it's a good place to begin if you want to see which products include airport lounge access. Once you're in the credit card section, look for the option that lets you browse by loyalty program. This is useful because some lounge benefits are tied to specific airline ecosystems, and organizing cards this way makes it easier to narrow down the best match for your travel habits. From there, select Aeroplan. If you frequently fly with Air Canada or use Aeroplan points, this category is especially relevant. It can show you cards that are connected to Air Canada benefits, including access to certain lounges depending on the card and the type of trip you're taking. On the Aeroplan page, review the available card options and their listed benefits. For example, one highlighted option is an Aeroplan Reserve card that includes features such as Aeroplan points earning, preferred flight reward pricing, and access to Maple Leaf Lounge locations in North America. This is the kind of benefit you want to watch for when comparing cards, because not all travel cards include the same lounge privileges. You can also explore other credit card categories if you want more options. Some cards outside the Aeroplan family may still offer lounge access through different programs, so it's worth checking a wider range of offers before deciding. After that, return to the home page and go back into the credit card section again to browse additional offers for free lounge access. This can help you compare benefits side by side and choose the option that best fits your budget, airline preference, and travel frequency. That's it. By checking the right credit card categories and focusing on lounge-related benefits, you can find a practical way to enjoy free lounge access at Toronto Pearson.